seniors. 3 foods to rebuild muscle, and 3 that destroy it after 60. As we age, we naturally lose muscle, a condition called sarcopenia. But this isn't just about looking fit. Muscle is your body's engine. It helps you stay balanced, lift groceries, climb stairs, and even get up from a chair without struggle. It protects your bones, supports your joints, and keeps your metabolism running strong. Losing muscle doesn't just make you feel weaker. It can lead to falls, slower recovery from illness, and even a loss of independence. But here's something many people don't realize. Maintaining strong muscles also helps you stay youthful both in how you feel and how you move. More muscle means better posture, more energy, and a more active, vibrant life. That's why preserving and rebuilding muscle after 60 is one of the most powerful things you can do for your health, energy, and confidence. And yes, it can be done starting with the right foods. But while rebuilding muscle is absolutely possible, it also depends on knowing what's holding you back. Because the truth is, some of the foods we eat every day, often without thinking, may actually be working against us. Let's start with the top 3 foods that can quietly destroy muscle after 60. Food numbers 1. Sugary drinks. They seem so innocent, sweet, refreshing, and easy to enjoy on a warm day or with a quick meal. Sodas, sweetened teas, bottled fruit juices, even those healthy-looking energy drinks, they're everywhere. But don't be fooled by the flavor. These drinks are loaded with added sugars, not the kind found naturally in fruit, but processed sugars your body absorbs almost instantly. When you drink them, that sugar quickly floods your bloodstream, causing your blood sugar to spike. At first, you might feel a quick boost, a short burst of energy that seems helpful. But it doesn't last. Soon after, your blood sugar crashes just as fast, leaving you feeling tired, shaky, irritable, and sometimes even more hungry than before. Over time, this spike and crash cycle doesn't just affect your mood. It trains your body to store more fat, especially around your belly, and it disrupts insulin sensitivity, making it harder to process energy effectively. But more importantly, and this is key, it directly interferes with muscle repair and growth. Too much sugar also increases inflammation, which silently damages your tissues over time. It lowers testosterone, a hormone essential for maintaining muscle, and raises cortisol, the stress hormone that breaks down muscle protein for energy, especially when your body's under pressure. And what does your body get in return? No nutrients, no support. Just empty calories that take more than they give. For older adults, this becomes even more critical. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at building and holding on to muscle, so every choice matters. That's why cutting out sugary drinks is one of the simplest, most impactful steps you can take to stay strong, energized, and independent. Food numbers 2. Processed meats. We're talking about deli ham, bacon, sausages, hot dogs, and even some canned or prepackaged meats that seem convenient for a quick meal. Sure, they're easy, tasty, and satisfying, but there's more going on under the surface. Most processed meats are packed with sodium, artificial preservatives, and low-quality fats. And while that might make them last longer in the fridge or on the shelf, it doesn't mean they last well in your body. Too much sodium puts pressure on your heart and kidneys, leading to higher blood pressure and fluid retention. 2 things that become riskier as we age. Preservatives like nitrates and nitrites are added to give meat a longer shelf life and better color, but research has linked them to increased inflammation and potential long-term health risks. And then there's the fat. Not the kind your body can use for energy and cell repair, but low-grade saturated fats that can clog arteries and promote weight gain, especially around the belly. When you add it all up, it's not just a salty snack, it's a combination that can slowly wear down your muscles, heart, and recovery ability one bite at a time. And here's the real concern your body needs: clean, complete protein to build and maintain muscle, especially after 60. But processed meats don't give you that. Instead, they offer a low-grade version of protein that's harder for your body to use and often loaded with hidden ingredients that do more harm than good. So think twice about what's in your sandwich or breakfast plate. It may taste good in the moment, but over time, it's quietly undermining your strength from the inside out. Food numbers 3. Too much. Alcohol. A glass of wine in the evening, a cold beer on the weekend, it feels like a way to unwind. And in moderation, it can be okay. But when it becomes a daily habit or goes beyond just a drink or two, it starts to quietly work against you. Here's how. Alcohol slows down muscle protein synthesis, the process your body uses to rebuild and strengthen your muscles after activity. So even if you're doing all the right things, walking every day, lifting light weights, or staying active, you might not see the results you expect. That's because your body can't fully recover and rebuild when alcohol is slowing things down behind the scenes. It also lowers testosterone, a natural hormone that plays a key role in keeping your muscles strong, your energy levels steady, and your motivation to move high. While it's often talked about in men, testosterone matters for women too, especially after menopause when natural levels start to drop. When alcohol reduces this hormone, your body may have a harder time holding on to muscle, and you might feel more tired, weaker, or even less motivated to stay active. And perhaps most importantly, alcohol disrupts your sleep, especially the deep restorative stages that your body depends on to heal and rebuild. Even if you fall asleep quickly after drinking, your sleep is lighter and more fragmented. You spend less time in deep sleep, which is when your muscles go into full repair mode, your brain processes the day, and your hormones rebalance. Without that quality rest, your body struggles to recover fully. Your muscles don't rebuild properly, and you may wake up feeling tired, stiff, or unmotivated to move, even after a full night in bed. Over time, poor sleep slows down your progress more than most people realize. For older adults who already recover more slowly, this disruption can mean longer soreness, more fatigue, and less muscle gain. So yes, even a few drinks can quietly undo your efforts. Alcohol doesn't just relax you, it relaxes your progress. When you remove these from your routine, you give your body a fighting chance to repair, grow, and stay strong. So now, let's shift gears and explore 3 of the most powerful muscle-supporting foods you can start enjoying today. Food numbers. 1. Eggs. They may look simple, but inside that little shell is a nutritional powerhouse. Eggs are one of the few foods that offer complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids, the ones your body can't produce on its own, but absolutely needs to repair and build muscle. One of the most important of these is leucine. Leucine acts like a switch. It tells your body it's time to rebuild. This process, called muscle protein synthesis, is how your muscles recover and grow stronger after everyday activities like walking, climbing stairs, or even light stretching. And the beauty of eggs, they're incredibly versatile, quick to cook, and easy to digest, which makes them perfect for older adults who may have a slower metabolism or sensitive stomach. Scrambled for breakfast, hard-boiled for a snack, or folded into a veggie-packed omelet, eggs fit in just about anywhere. Think of eggs as nature's muscle-building pill packed with high-quality protein, healthy fats, B vitamins, and nutrients that work together to support strength, energy, and recovery from the inside out. Food numbers 2. Salmon. It's not just tasty, it's packed with the nutrients your muscles rely on to heal, grow, and stay strong as you age. Salmon delivers a rich source of high-quality, complete protein, the kind that contains all the essential amino acids your body needs to repair tiny tears in muscle fibers after movement or exercise. Whether it's a brisk walk or working in the garden, your muscles are always doing work and they need the right fuel to recover. But what truly sets salmon apart is its generous supply of omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA. These healthy fats go far beyond heart and brain support. They play a direct role in calming inflammation, reducing joint stiffness, and helping your muscles recover faster so you feel less sore and more energized for the next day. As we grow older, inflammation tends to build up more easily, and the body naturally slows down its repair process. That's why omega-3s are so powerful. Research shows they can actually slow the progression of sarcopenia, the gradual age-related loss of muscle mass and strength. So when you include salmon in your weekly meals, even just 2 servings a week, you're doing more than eating well. Food numbers 3. Greek yogurt. What sets it apart? It's packed with 2 types of high-quality protein. Whey and casein, and that combo makes it one of the most effective muscle recovery foods out there. Whey protein digests quickly. It goes straight to work, giving your muscles the amino acids they need to start repairing damage and rebuilding strength, especially after movement or exercise. Casein protein, on the other hand, works like a slow drip. It breaks down gradually, delivering a long, steady stream of amino acids that keeps your muscles fueled for hours, even while you sleep. This combination of fast and slow protein makes Greek yogurt a smart choice not just after a workout, but also as a bedtime snack to support overnight recovery. It's also rich in leucine, one of the most important amino acids for muscle growth. Leucine acts like a switch telling your body it's time to build. And because Greek yogurt is easy to digest, it's ideal for older adults or anyone with a sensitive stomach. But there's more. Greek yogurt also offers calcium for bone health, probiotics, for gut support, and fewer carbs and sugars than regular yogurt, making it a nutrient-dense, well-balanced option. And let's not forget versatility. Top it with berries and chia seeds for breakfast, blend it into a smoothie, or use it as a creamy base for dips, dressings, or even savory dishes. Think of Greek yogurt as your 24-hour recovery assistant, working fast after activity and slow while you rest. Together, these 3 foods create a strong foundation for muscle recovery, whether you're walking, gardening, or simply trying to stay active with ease. At Health 2660, we believe the best choices aren't extreme, they're simple, smart, and sustainable. Health 2660. Thanks you for listening.